So Control Alt N. What? Underscore. Okay, so we're going to read the number A and write it to the file. So 1, 23.
I have
32. And
I have char A, and I use dot put, and it works fine.
Okay, it's there, and it put everything in one line. We can actually introduce a new line, either using \n, or you can use std and l, entirely up to you. Oops. Four, 8, 16, 32. And we've got 4, 8, 16. I'm sure 32 is there also. It's just not showing up because of truncation. Now that, excuse me, now that we've written our file, we're going to read an input. This time we know how to read using a file stream. But we wanted to recognize an end of file. So an end of file is where the file ends, literally. In our case, an end of file is pretty much a space, because we have a bunch of numbers, and when it hits the end of file, it's not going to have a number anymore. So all we need is a condition. So we have our integer already. So sort of asking a question, but I gave you the answer. While file underscore I, we're just going to pass it to A, but I do have to open the stream. My number from the file is by all means, there's an ancient way of doing things, as you may have noticed when I scrolled through the options for file output, file input. We had an EOF function. So you can directly use the EOF function. Start with 64. Okay, so we entered the 4 numbers and it gave us the 4 numbers back.